Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life plus in your studies also. So this is the schedule for tomorrow for 15 July 2021, and this schedule is for SBI clerk mains and RRB PO and clerk prelims and mains. So this is for already preparing candidates, and if you are a beginner and if you are watching this video for first time, then for the beginners I will upload the daily schedule on 4 a.m. on daily basis, okay? And this schedule will be for RRB PO and clerk plus IBPS clerk also, so you don't have to worry about this. Your syllabus will be completed on time, and I am telling all the sources for the preparation also, okay? So we will start now. So first I will analyze and solve the mains mock test tomorrow, because it is not possible in one day to attempt the mains mock test and then to analyze it and solve it also. So what you can do is you can attempt the mains mock test one day, and then the next day you can analyze it and you can solve each and every question. And for mains mock test I would recommend you to solve each and every question, okay? Do not skip any question, because the each of the question of the mains mock test is very important. Then tomorrow I will give RRB PO prelims mock test, because RRB PO prelims will be also there, so we have to prepare for that also. And if you are preparing for SBI clerk means, then I think that your syllabus of prelims is completed and now you only need mock test. So for RRB PO prelims mock test, if you have not bought any mock test till now, then I would suggest to go for test book mock test, because in test book they provide you 350 plus mock test in one test book pass subscription, plus for other examinations also. So you will have practice questions for each subject on differently, like you will find practice questions on maths, reasoning and on English also, and you will get the mock test also. So there will be around 17,000 plus practice questions and 350 plus mock test. I will give you the link in description, and by using my code you will get extra discount also. Then I will practice one arithmetic chapter, because it is important to prepare our base of data interpretation, so it is important to practice arithmetic chapter on daily basis. Then for English I will read the editorial plus vocabulary, okay? Then for daily current affairs, I am following Affairs Cloud. I suggest you to follow Affairs Cloud, and I will revise the previous current affairs also. So for both these things I am following Affairs Cloud, as Affairs Cloud is the best source for current affairs. Plus if you subscribe to their course, then you get the daily quizzes, and the daily quizzes are very important to retain the current affairs which we have studied. So if you have not bought their PDF course, like their current affair course, I will give you the link of their current affair course in description. You can tap on this link and you can buy the current affair course, and by using my code you will get 10% discount also. So that's all for tomorrow. As we have to solve the whole mains mock test, we will not get that much time to prepare anything else. So that's all for tomorrow. I hope you can complete it on time, and all the best for your preparations. Thank you.